Bonjour, Wiidigemisinoonaambaan. Ojibwe sentence of the day. This is a negative counterfactual, first to second person, neen to geen, transitive animate. Counterfactual with that suffix there. Isinoonaambaan. Isinoonaambaan. Naambaan. Just notice how you have to elongate those vowels, double vowels. Here we go. Wiidigemisinoonaambaan. Gaan-aapiji nidaa-minwendanziin noongom. I wouldn't be so happy today had I not married you. If you're saying that to your woman, you're expressing the fact that you wouldn't be happy. You wouldn't be so happy. There might be an alternate reality had you not made that choice to marry her. You see, this is more complex grammar that is not really being taught in schools. I'm privy to an Ojibwe language professor with a PhD in linguistics that helps me all the time for free. So that's why I know these things, because I find it kind of sad that everybody goes online just doing Ojibwe words of the day. My grandfather was a Sundance leader and a full-fledged Midaaminwendanziin practitioner, 4th degree. When they prayed, when they sang, it wasn't just words. They actually knew how to speak sentences, praying sentences, not just a word. So we gotta learn sentences like our ancestors knew, not just words of the day. Hamsa.